Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix high memory, CPU or RAM usage. So the first step is to open your task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape. Go over to Startup Apps and make sure that you disable all of the apps that you don't need. The next step is to open the Run menu by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard. Write msconfig here and then go to your Services tab. Click Hide all Microsoft services and then make sure that you disable all of these services that you don't need, and then you're going to press OK here. The third step is to open up your search bar, write defragment, press the first option, defragment and optimize drives, select the C drive and press optimize. This should take a couple of minutes. The next step is to press Windows plus R on your keyboard, write services.msc, press enter, and then you want to select SYS main, right click it, go to properties, and then make sure that startup type is selected to disable, and then you want to stop the process by clicking stop. Then you want to press apply and OK. The next step is to again press Windows plus R on your keyboard, write systm.cpl, press OK, and then go to advanced tab and under performance click settings and then press custom, and then make sure everyone is ticked off except for show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen front. Press apply, then click OK. The next step is to write reg edit on your start menu, and then you want to press file and export and make sure that you create a backup file by writing backup here and then press save. This would create a backup file so that if you mess up your settings, you can still back up to your original setting. Then you want to head over to HKey local machine, press system, then you want to head over to current control set, you want to head over to control, then session manager, then memory management. Then you want to make sure that the second one, clear page file is shut down. You want to right click it, write modify and change the value data to 1. After this, you want to again open your run menu by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard, write powercfg.cpl and make sure that you select high performance here. After this, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, write %temp %, press enter and make sure you delete all of these files by pressing Ctrl A and pressing the trash icon over here. The last step is to finally go ahead and restart your PC, and this should fix your performance issues by lowering down your CPU, memory and RAM usage. And I hope this video helped you. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with the next one.